Need to postpone a Tamara installment payment? I'll guide you through the quick steps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to request an installment postponement with Tamara to give yourself some payment flexibility. Step 1. Open the Tamara app and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your active purchases or orders section. Step 3. Select the installment payment you want to postpone. Step 4. Look for the option to request a postponement or payment extension and tap it. Step 5. Follow the prompts to choose a new payment date that works for you. Step 6. Confirm your request and wait for Tamara to approve it. You'll get a notification once it's approved. Quick tip: make sure to request the postponement before your payment due date to avoid late fees or penalties. Drop a comment if you found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more handy money guides. Thanks for watching.